Okay, another problem tayo related to trigonometric derivative of trigonometric function. This time, differentiate function of x which is equal to secant x over quantity 1 plus tangent x. Trigonometric. Okay? And since na quotient nito, i-apply natin yung concept about derivative of quotient which is ito yung u and ito yung b. At kung i-rewrite natin yan, okay, apply natin yung derivative, ito ay equal sa, okay, 1 plus tangent x, then derivative ng secant x minus secant x derivative ng 1 plus tangent x all over 1 plus tangent x quantity squared. Okay? Well, kaya natin yan. Then, 1 plus tangent x derivative ng secant x based sa trigonometric na formula ay secant x tangent x, then minus secant x, then derivative ng 1 plus tangent x, derivative ng tangent x ay secant squared x. Again, kailangan familiar kayo o kabisado nyo yung derivative ng bawat trigonometric function. Okay? Over 1 plus tangent x squared. Then, simplify natin. Distribute secant x tangent x plus secant x, then tangent squared x minus secant x secant squared x, then 1 plus tangent x quantity squared. May common ay secant x, and titira na lang ay tangent x plus tangent squared x minus secant squared x. Then 1 plus tangent x squared. Okay? May masisimplify pa ba tayo? Okay. Apply natin yung trigonometric identities. Okay, actually ito, itong tangent square o secant squared ay meron siyang identity o trigonometric identity na equal sa ito. Pwedeng ito o ito, pero ang trigonometric identity niya ay tangent squared x plus 1 is equal to secant squared x. Okay, sa trigonometric identities yan. Okay. Therefore, substitute natin either na both side o kung ito man, pero kahit dyan, substitute na lang natin dito. Mas gusto ko yan. Secant x, then tangent x plus, ito ngayon ay magiging secant squared x minus 1 minus secant squared x. Okay? Paano nangyari to? Again, yung trigonometric identities na to. Sinubstitute lang natin to. O kahit ito naman din yung substitute nyo, okay? Ganon din naman yung magiging sagot niyan. Okay? Then, cancel. Chick. Chick. Okay. Therefore, kalimutan pa, 1 plus tangent x squared. Ano na lang natira? Ang natira na lang ay ito. Therefore, ang final answer natin ay secant x times tangent x minus 1 over 1 plus tangent x squared. Okay? Ang final answer. Again, dapat familiar kayo o kabisado niyo yung derivative ng bawat trigonometric function. Then, yung identity, trigonometric identity rin, alam niyo dapat. At kung alam niyo na yun, at the same time, na-master niyo ng basic ng derivative sa algebraic, madali na to. Magkakatalo na lang talaga sa sign, minsan, saka sa pag-simplify. Okay? Tayo para sa another problem ng trigonometric function, and then upload na lang later ng iba pang mga problem related sa derivative ng trigonometric function. Okay, thank you.